Kumshi benta ban Rakhe ka sngi kha jong kupa kari India Mahatma Gandhi ka State Bank of India ka lashim benta ka Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin bat la Pynlong hi ka cleaning drive hasilan ter ka surok Nongpoh. Ha ka te ka sngi lawan shim benta ka cleaning drive da kiwe ki bank bapher ki badan han Nongpoh ki officer jong ka umling senar di block ki nong shong dukan bat ki nong yalam shnong jong ka shnong Nongpoh na lor kiwe pan.
We have more participants today in this program, and all you have come to this occasion, and we are doing this as the call given by the Honorable Prime Minister that Swachhata hi Seva means cleanliness is godliness. So if we keep ourselves, our surrounding clean, definitely the environment will be better, and this will not only help keeping good health, and diseases will be what is called controlled, and it is a good way for a healthy living. So let us join our hands and in this program and make it a very successful one. Thank you all. Yeah.